Hey friends, if you encounter the error we restrict certain activity with Instagram, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first one is obviously don't post anything against Instagram's policies, like any content which would be counted as adult content or any content which instigates violence or anything else. You can check the detailed list of Instagram's policies. The next one is to log out and log in again. So, I'm on Instagram right now. I'll click on this gear like symbol and I'll log out, and then once I'm logged out I will log in once again. Okay, so just like I did it earlier, so it's the same process, log out and log in again. The next one is to update the app. Since it has been downloaded from the Microsoft Store, simply search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar. Click on the library symbol on the left list on the left hand side, and then wait for it to load, and then click on get updates in the right pane. And lastly, clear the cache and cookies from the browser. So let us say that you are using it on a specific browser, you are not using the app. In that case, here's what you can do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on history once again, and then click on clear now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.